Let's learn how to draw a one-point perspective by using the section, one of the sections that we created. Let's use this one here. And as you can remember from our previous lecture, there were different types of projections, and we have learned some of these, most of these, parallel projections and a two-point projection in our previous lectures. Now let's do this one together, a one-point projection. And we can use an A4 paper in order to do this exercise. If you use the header, you can just measure a 5 centimeter on this direction and draw a line here, which you can name as the picture plane. Or if you don't use the header, you can just measure approximately 8 centimeters from the upper surface of the paper and draw a horizontal line, and again name it as the picture plane here. In the second step, you need to draw your partial plan. As you can remember from our previous exercise, this was the section line that we created to indicate that this object is being cut by this vertical plane here, and the man steps inside this system and looks at this direction, so that we created this line here with dashed lines and points in between, and put two little triangles to indicate that we are looking towards this direction. And I just need to draw the plan starting from this section line and upwards. I don't need to draw the rest of it because this is how I am looking at the system. Right now, I am actually here, standing here and looking towards the inside of this rectangular prism. So this part of the plan, this partial plan, will be enough for me, and I can just place the plan approximately like 8 centimeters from the edge of the paper here. And please be careful about intersecting, overlapping the section line with the picture plane. Actually, this picture plane is directly overlapping with the section plane here. And then I need to determine my station point, the place that I am standing here, and it can be 14 centimeters down from the picture plane, and I can just measure approximately 11 centimeters from the left side of the paper, and this is the place that I am standing here. That is my station point. After that, I need to draw only the cut surfaces. Only the cut surfaces. These are the surfaces that are actually on the picture plane. So I am drawing them in their true size since they are overlapping with the picture plane. There are two objects that has been cut by this vertical surface here. The square horizontal plane, it's this line here, its cut surface is this line here, and my rectangular prism, it's 2 millimeter thick edges. They are the only cut objects here, and once I finish drawing, it will be the end of my fourth step, so that I can move on to the fifth step. In the fifth step, I need to draw a horizon line. As you can remember, this is the level of my eyes. So it can be something in between here. I just have 2.5 centimeters and draw this horizontal line and name it as the horizon line. And by transferring the position of the station point down to horizon line, I can indicate my vanishing point. Since this is just one point perspective, I have just one vanishing point in the center. And everything will be connected. Every line will be connected to this vanishing point. And I need to start connecting the inner corner here, this corner here, with my station point so that I can have their intersection with the picture plane. And after that, I need to transfer this down here, transfer the intersection here, down here. And I need to connect these corners, this bottom corner and this upper corner, with my vanishing points so that I will be able to create the inner surface of this prism. As you can remember, this red line is the transfer line from above, and I connected this corner with the vanishing point and this corner with the vanishing point so that I will get a surface. This is the inner surface of the prism. And I need to draw this surface with middle thickness, middle darkness lines, since they are the surfaces that I see. And this is my 10th step. I need to repeat the last 4 steps again and again in order to complete the system here. I need to connect this back corner with my station point, transfer this intersection of this line with the picture plane down here, connect this corner with vanishing point, connect this corner with vanishing point so that I will be able to have the other inner surface. Here I need to create them with visible lines with middle thickness, middle darkness lines. And when I connect the upper and the bottom surfaces, I will have all the surfaces of this prism here. This is the bottom surface. This is the left side, the right side, the upper surface, and the back surface here. And there were lines on the bottom surface, so I need to connect every line with my station point so that I can be able to transfer their intersection down here. And then I need to connect every intersection transfer with the vanishing point so that I will have all the lines on the bottom surface of the prism. Once I finish the inner surfaces of this prism, I can move on to creating the horizontal plane. I need to connect this corner with my station point, this one with my station point, and then transfer their intersections. I need to connect the corners with vanishing points so that I will be able to create the upper surface of this horizontal plane. And with to draw these lines, again, I need to connect each one of them with station point, transfer them, and create parallel lines. And now the only thing left is the cube. Here, the blue cube, I need to connect its 4 corners with my station point, transfer their intersection, and connect them with a vanishing point so that I will be able to find the bottom edge of the cube and the upper edge of the cube. Here, it's the upper surface of the cube. And that's all. This is how I see the system. If I stand here, look through this cut surface, I will be able to see everything like this. I will be seeing the upper surface of the horizontal plane, the cut surfaces in their true sizes, the bottom surface, the cube, and all the rest of the surfaces of the inside of the prism, like this. And this is a very, again, nice technique that you can use to show your living spaces that you designed, the inside of this object. And as you can easily see that if you connect every line here, they will be connected in one central point, as you can see, and this is the vanishing point, a one-point perspective. It's a very nice technique that you can use for your presentations.